This stainless steel replacement T-blade can be used with FX788RG and FX788S trimmers. Use it for a precise, clean cut. It's made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel and can fit all 2-hole blade systems. This high-carbon stainless steel T-blade is zero-gap adjustable and great for all hair textures. When the blade on your BaBylissPRO FX788RG or FX788S is dull, change it out with this replacement blade. Top reviews from the United States. Replacement trimmer blade aren't all the same. I've been replacing my trimmer blades with these ones every few months since I actively do haircuts 90% of the time. This recent time I purchased one, I hooked it on my trimmers and it won't budge or move. It works with my original blade.